Hi friends, I'm Azanbo Mbung and you're watching my YouTube channel Azanbo the Naga's View. Friends, we all know that flute is a musical instrument vastly used by the whole world, but varied from the land or the culture, the customs or the tradition. This flute sound made out is of different kind, followed by the tune of the traditional song of that particular land. So come on, let's listen to the flute song made by one of our Zeliangrong brother. I'm glad to have you here. So will you please let the viewers know your name?
My name is Zeliangrong.
Okay, thank you. So what you'll be playing for us today?
I'll be playing Zeliangrong folk song.
Can you please sing the song for us before playing the flute?
Yeah. Alipui atuzimu zima Zie zisai e wang kum lo wang suke Pasai na zreng peng kang sai na nzu na tu pun lo pa pui lo alu amarai.
So friends, you have listened to the song. So he will be singing this song by his flute. He is a flute player. So come on, let's see how he plays for us. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading such new videos. So please do subscribe to my channel and let's enjoy the song. So friends, as you have listened to the song, I hope you like the video. The flute. It is mostly used by the musician as their musical instrument, but it is almost forgotten by our traditional way. So I hope you like the video. And in order to preserve the song, our folk song and the instruments, our musical instruments, please share the video. And friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you in the next episode.